Hello viewers, welcome to Kharis tutorials. I'm Simeon. In case you're watching this tutorial, kindly watch how to cut because this is the concluding part of our tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll be taking us through how to sew our blouse. We've done the cutting in the last class, so today we'll be moving to how to sew. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, click on the notification button as well to get notifications for our upcoming videos. So let's move on. Welcome back. First, we need to join the princess dart on the front and that of the back. So that's the first thing we have to do. Alright, the next thing I'm going to work on is turning with the lining. So I'm going to turn the back first with the lining. I'm going to start with joining the neck. After joining the neck, I'll notch and top stitch on the lining. Then I'll turn in the sides. I'll also repeat the same on the other side. Alright, there's a need to iron. Next is to work on the front, and to do that, I have double nets. So just place the first to cut out the other. And what I'm going to do first is to turn the neck, then I'll place it in between my fabric and the lining to turn. So I'm going to turn with the lining, but first I'll work on this. Alright, from here the next thing to do is to join the shoulder. So bringing the front and the back together, I'm going to join the shoulder. then we'll bring out the shape from the side. So bringing out the shape, you have your measurements divided by 2, like we have the bust divided by 2 is 20 inches. So I'm going to measure what I have in total. I have 22 inches. That means I have 2 inches excess. I'll share the 2 inches on each side. That will be 1 inch and 1 inch. Then I'll repeat the same process on the under bust circumference. That's to join the shape. So now let's join the shoulder. Next is to work on the flay, and to do that, I'll place the lining to turn the base. I'm going to turn in the base before attaching it to the half length. The next thing we are going to do is to attach the zip. So to do that, I'm going to place the zip on the fabric and join from the inside, so that after joining we'll have this. This is what we're going to have. So we're going to start by first on one side of the back. Alright, next we move to the sleeve. This is what we have on the front and the back. So we move to the sleeve. Alright, so on the sleeve we have the flare part. The first thing is to turn. I'm going to turn the flare, then I'll attach this to the main sleeve before attaching our feathers. So let's do that one after the other. Alright, I applied the oil on the needle because of the gum on the feathers. The last thing to do now is to bring the sleeve together to the main blouse, and to do that, the joint parts on the sleeve and the side, the joint parts on the side of our blouse has to align, then we'll join together. Alright, so we've come to the end of our sewing, and this is beautiful. And now I'm sure you want to give it a try. We have the front and the back. That's the end of our tutorial. I'm sure you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also click on the notification button to get notifications for all our upcoming videos. It's not gonna cost you anything. I remain Simeon. To follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Africa TV. Follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class. Don't miss out.